إن شاء الله. Letter A makes the sound of A like ant. B makes the sound of B like ball. عندنا letter letter C makes the sound of K like car. D makes the sound of D like dog. E makes the sound of like egg. F makes the sound of F like fish. G makes the sound of G like goat. H makes the sound of H like house. I makes the sound of I like egg insect. J makes the sound of J like juice.